I'm telling you now, I drive a motorbike, okay? And I am very good at my motorbike, and I know what speed you're going, okay? From there, I don't need to do you for speaking. I can give you points for driving without due care and attention. I would imagine you've not had your licence long. You'll lose your licence because you'll get points because it'll take you over the 6, alright? Don't lose your licence for stupid acceleration in the city, alright? Okay? Nice to stop it, nice bike, look after yourself, don't fall off.
Tell them to bring me my money. Yeah!